Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐇. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful dress. It's a backless gown with flare at the damper. So if this is what you are looking at to learn, please stick to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime you have a new tutorial. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. Okay, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and also share the video. Let's get started. Alright, so to draft the backless gown now, so this is the outline. I'll be using this side for the front and this side for the back, so I'll be drafting the two together. So now we'll start by imputing our shoulder measurement, which is 14 inches divided by 2 on the shoulder line and also on the chest line for both front and the back. Alright, so I'll come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope and connect it to the 3 inches. Alright, so for the front, I'll go ahead and impute the bust measurement. I'll take the bust measurement straight down to the waist. So nipple to nipple measurement is 6 inches divided by 2, we have 3. Whatever I have as the difference here, so I have 1.5 as a difference in the bust and the underbust and the waist, so I'll make use of that as my dart, and the dart will stop ½ inch before the bust point. The difference in the front and the back half length is 1.5 inches. Right, for the armhole for the front, you divide it, whatever you have here, by 2, and you step down by 1 inch and also go in by 1 inch for the front. Alright, so it's a princess dart in the front, but before we draw on the princess dart, let's go for the neckline first. So the neckline, I'm going to be making it 3.5 inches deep. Alright, so from this point here, I'm going to go in by 2 inches from the neck width here. I'm going to be going in by 2 inches like this. So from those 2 inches, I'll reconnect it back to the underbust, to the shoulder line, armhole line. So it's a princess dart. I'm going to be connecting the dart here to the armhole. Right, so this is what the front is going to be looking like. So for the back now, we impute also our measurements. You can do your sway back, but we don't need the full back length, and also impute the bust measurements also. The back bodice, I'm going to be making it a dartless bodice, so I'll do the armhole for the back, divide it by 2 and step down by 1, go in by ½ inch for the back. Alright, so the back neckline will be 1.5 inches deep. Alright, so like we did for the front, we are going to go in by 2 inches here and reconnect it to the armhole. Alright, so this is the new armhole for the back. So from this armhole here, from the chest line, you step down by 3 inches on the side. From the chest line, step down by 3 inches. You can go as low as 4 inches, but 3 inches is okay for me. So I'll step down by 3 inches here. So I'll come to the neckline here. On this line, I'll go in by 1 inch. So I'll connect this part here up to this point here. Since it's backless, don't forget it's a backless back. The back is open, so all this part here will be cut off. So this is only going to be the portion we have for the back neckline. So now that we have this, now we can go ahead to cut out our piece. Alright, so this is what we have for the back piece. You'll be cutting two of this like this. So the other side will also come here. So here you'll be cutting a long strap of 1.5 or as wide as you want it to be at this point here. So you cut it. So that is what you use to make the bow at the back. So this is what the front piece is going to be looking like. So we have this front piece also like this. So you go ahead and cut double of this, like this for center front will be on fold, and you also cut double of this. So this is what the upper part is going to be looking like. And for the down part, now the down part we have a 720-degree flare on the down part. So you go ahead and calculate your waist measurement to get the 720-degree flare. So one part will be for the front and the other part is going to be for the back. So that will be it for today's class. Thank you for joining us. I hope you're able to learn something new in our class today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and also share the video. Thank you, and see you in the next class.